What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Boom. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what I am bringing to Disney World. Yeah, I'm headed to Disney World in a couple of days with my best friend Antoinette for our birthday. So let's get into what we're bringing. But before we get into the video, I do want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. There we go. All right, y'all. Let's get into the outfit of the day. Okay, y'all. So before we even get into the outfit of the day, y'all, the grippers. The grippers. Real cute. Real cute. Birthday set. Anyway. The outfit of the day. Okay, because I'm headed to the movies after this to go see Final Destination. Wait, no, not Final. No. Mission Impossible Final Reckoning. That's what, headed to the movies. But the outfit of the day is this Fleur du Mal set. It does come separate, but it is a set. And it is this Fleur du Mal denim like corset top or bustier top with this circle skirt. I have those styled with my denim Gianni Benny heels and my Coach denim tabby in a size 20. Y'all have seen this look before if you've been here a while. Listen, we rewear our clothes over here. Sometimes the exact same way. Who gonna check me, boo? Not you. Anyway, that is the outfit of the day. Oh, the fragrance is, what is the fragrance? I think the fragrance is Carmina. Just in case you wanted to know. But yes, that is the outfit of the day. Let's get into what I'm packing. All right, y'all. So for pajamas, I'm just bringing one of my avocado on rye, like slinky dresses, one of my Skims slinky dresses, and then just in case I am bringing a two-piece pajama short set, one pair of slippers, and the fragrance, I'm bringing one fragrance that is Creed's Carmina. That is the one fragrance that I'm bringing. I'm gonna spray it on every day, y'all. I have been learning how to pack. I do not know how to pack, and I've been learning how to pack better and lighter. So yeah, there's that. Two dresses, one short set for pajamas. Creed Carmina is the fragrance. Let's get into the first look. Y'all. So the first look is this denim romper from Avocado on Rye. I got it in a size small. I have those styled with my Tory Burch platform sandals and my Gucci Heart crossbody bag. Celine sunglasses. Now I am going to take all of my jewelry. The only thing I will not be taking is my watch. I am going to do my Apple Watch instead of this watch. But all my rings, bracelets, chain, y'all know that don't come off, earrings, etc., that doesn't come off. But this is the look. Now I don't know which park each of these are going to be worn to. We're just kind of freestyling it. But this is the look. Now I do want to say this. Originally, I was going to get like 4 pair of Disney ears. I wasn't actually going to get the ears. I was going to get a visor because the ears hurt my head. I don't know about y'all. I don't know if it's because I don't have any hair or what, but at some point in time, the ears just kind of puts tension on my head and it does not feel comfortable. So I was going to get some very cute ears or visor ears to match each outfit, y'all. And I have been going through a reckoning myself, if you will. I have been going through a transformation, okay, if you will, realizing, y'all, I am a consumer. I'm a hyper consumer. And I need a break. I was going to buy a pair of ears for every day. And then I was like, you know what, Angel, you don't need that. We'll just buy 2 ears and have them go with each look. And then I thought to myself, hey, bitch, where are you going to wear these ears again? Where and when are you going to wear these ears again? I want to know. Mind you, they were not cheap. $40 roughly, okay? So even if I only got the 2 pair, that's $80. $40, yeah. You know, I was like, where are you gonna wear them again? And then I'm like, oh, well, I can wear them to Disney again. But okay? I went to Disney last year, okay? Check that vlog out if you haven't seen it. But I went to Disney last year with Angel and Darius. Nothing that I wore last year, except these shoes actually, but none of the outfits that I wore last year am I wearing this year. Do you know what that means? That means the ears that I would buy for these outfits this year, it's not even guaranteed that those ears are going to match the outfits of the future. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? And then furthermore, what if I don't go back to Disney? I mean, is that likely? No. But I've bought ears before. Where they at though? Where they at though? I ain't got them. I don't know where they are. Do you want to know what happened to them? They got thrown away because I had no purpose for them. I had no purpose for them, and that's what I be talking about. That's what I be talking about. Like, why am I spending my money so frivolously? Yeah, would it be cute? Absolutely. Would it eat up on the look? Absolutely. Absolutely. But is it a waste of money? Absolutely. Absolutely. So I decided to not get the ears. I decided to bring the $600 pair of sunglasses that I never wear, that I do not get enough use out of. Those will protect my eyes. Don't lose your sunglasses. Don't sit them down. Go with that. You don't need the visor. You don't need the visor. You don't need the ears. What is wrong with you, girl? What is wrong with you? You have to buy Disney ears for them to sit in the closet. Sound like it don't make no sense to me, you know? So I did not get the visor ears. And I'm not going to get the visor ears because for what? So let me get off my soapbox and get back into the video. But we're starting off with this denim jumper. It's from Avocado on Rye. We have those styled with the Tory Burch sandals. These sandals were very comfortable last year. Now don't get me wrong, after walking 10-12 hours in the park, baby, your feet gonna hurt regardless. It don't matter what kind of shoes you wear. It does not matter what kind of shoes you wear. After being on your feet 10-12 hours in 98-degree weather, your feet gonna be hurting your brain. Listen, you're gonna be tore up from the floor up. But these were very comfortable. The only thing that I did not like about them is that they did give me tan lines that lasted a while, but they were very comfortable. Actually comfortable than any, I'm not gonna say more comfortable than my sneakers, but what they did was anytime I got on water rides, or if it's Florida, so it rains, or anytime it rained or anything like that, they dried way faster than any of my tennis shoes did. Any of my tennis shoes. So that is why I'm opting to bring these sandals and another pair of sandals that are similar. But this is the first look. Again, denim romper, Tory Burch sandals, Celine sunglasses, Gucci heart crossbody bag. Look 1. Let's move on to look 2. All right, y'all. So for look 2, I have this denim cutout dress from Urban Revival. I got it in a size medium. I did have to have it taken in, by the way. But the denim cutout dress from Urban Revival, again, the same red Tory Burch sandals, same Gucci heart bag, same Celine glasses. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're going to make this simple. We're going to be stylish, but we are going to make this simple. Now, this particular look, this is a universal look. This is a universal look. The dress is kind of short to wear to Disney, in my opinion. Okay. Now, I'm gonna wear shorts underneath it. Relax. I am gonna wear shorts underneath it. Okay. But the dress is kind of short. I would probably wear this at the Universal parks over the Disney parks, just because there's a different crowd of people. It's the same crowd, but it's a different crowd. If you've been there, and you know, if you know, you know. If you've been there, then you know, you know. You know what I mean? But different crowd. This is the Universal dress. Okay. Alrighty then. But yeah, this is the second look, preferably for Universal. Let's move on to look number 3. All right, y'all. So look number 3 is this romper for Ace Kouture. This is Animal Kingdom, baby. This is my Animal Kingdom look. And I told y'all in the beginning, I don't know which is going to be for which. I know this is going to be for Animal Kingdom. I know that. I know that. Y'all, this is so cute. This is giving safari. It's giving take me to Africa. You know what I mean? And I absolutely love it. I got it in a size small, and I have these styled with these black Tiva sandals, my LV crossbody or my LV bum bag, Celine Sunnies. Y'all, too cute. Too cute. Too cute. I think all of the looks are cute, but this one is too cute. I don't know what to tell you. But yeah. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's going to be adorable. This would have been really cute with like some Simba ears or something like that. But again, y'all, I just can't do it. I can't do it, y'all. I spend so much money frivolously. I just cannot do it, y'all. Tap in if y'all understand what I mean when I say you just be buying stuff. And granted, it may make sense in that moment. But out of that moment, it's you done wasted money. You done wasted money. You can't get that money back either because you done worn it. Things have to make sense for me to buy them for more than just one moment. They have to make sense in the long run. That's like dating a man for a moment. I'm going to date him for the moment. No. What? Buying shoes for one event. Buying a look for one event. Y'all, in the past. It don't make enough sense. It does not make enough sense to invest in that. Okay? That's $40 for one pair of visor ears, whatever, girl. That's at least 2 to 3 meals. That's at least 2 to 3 meals. We're going to keep that money in the pockets. Keep it in the pockets. Now, I would have looked cute with that for sure, but we're going to keep it in the pockets. All right. Let's move on. All right, y'all. So, look number 4. I think it's look number 4. We have the Baby Boo dress. I originally had this dress, the Amazon dupe of this dress, but I did go ahead and purchase the real, like, I guess the original version. I don't know. But, adorable. Adorable. I was going to do some Maleficent ears with this. We're not now, or visor, or whatever the case is. But this is adorable. I have it styled with the Tiva sandals. Again, LV bum bag. All right. Celine Sunnies. Tell me I don't look adorable. I'm a little princess. I look like a little princess. Stop playing with me. Princess. I look like a little princess. You understand? Princess. I love it. I love it. This is it's adorable. It's adorable and it's right up my alley. It's adorable and it's right up my alley. All these looks are right up my alley. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Too cute. Too cute for school. I don't know what to tell y'all. I got it in a size small, by the way. But let's move on to my final look, and then I have one honorable mention. So let's do that. All right, y'all. So look number 5, probably the look that I'm going to wear on my birthday, is this red tulle dress. The red Tory Burch sandals, Celine Sunnies, Gucci heart crossbody bag. I look like a princess. Girl, I look like a princess, honey. Yeah. She's a princess. Okay? I don't know what to tell you. Adorable. Okay? I was going to do Snow White ears. That would have been cute. I know. It would have been cute, but I'm not, because I'm not buying them. But y'all, adorable. Yeah. I got a small in this dress, by the way, and of course I got it cut so that it's a little bit shorter. But y'all, I love this. I don't know. Listen, I don't know what to tell y'all, but I love it. I love it. Y'all, that is the 5 looks. I do have one honorable mention. Let's get into it. For the honorable mention, we have this chic Le Freak dress. And I would do it with the Tiva sandals, and again the LV bum bag, Celine sunglasses. Y'all see the theme. I only brought 2 pair of shoes. These 2 pair of shoes are gonna go with everything, and they do. Period. And they do. I was gonna do a Dr. Facilier visor with this. Too cute, but listen, I'm not doing any because, again, I'm not buying them. But I'm just giving y'all what I would do. For those people who do want to spend, like, oh, I want to do this too, I want to recreate this, this is how you do it. Y'all, this is how Angelle does Disney. I know a lot of the girls are wearing, like, the skater skirts and the workout disorder. Listen, all of this is comfortable. All of this is comfortable to me. All of this works for me. All of this gives the right amount of extra, the right amount of style, the right amount of chic, the right amount of class, the right amount of sass that Angelle gives in her everyday life. This is what makes sense. This is a Angelle's Life Disney, and I love that. Period. I know this is not an everybody thing. Like, oh, I wouldn't do that. I would. And I am. Because this is what I do. Let me be me. Let me be me. And the girls that's like me, let us do us. Let us do the damn thing how we want to do it. Do we talk about you for doing it how you want to do it? No, we do not. So let us do it how we want to do it. Okay? Because I know somebody in the comments like, oh, Angelle, that's too much. That's too much. That's too much. For you. Not for me. But y'all, this is me. This is she. This is we. This is how we doing Disney. So comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite look. Again, I am going to bring the chic Le Freak dress just in case I want to remix it up and change one of the pieces out. Those last 3 pieces will not get changed out. So if it is, it may be one of those denim pieces. Because those are plainer than the other ones, which is crazy because they're really not that plain. Especially for Disney, they're not that plain, but they're kind of plain. You know what I mean? And I do prefer to wear a dress. So those might get changed out, but that is going to be the rotation, and I love it. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to go. No, I'm not taking that child. No, my bestie not taking her children because we going by ourselves. Because listen, mama gotta have a life too, Jody. You know, period. And I just said, y'all know I took Angel last year. All he did was complain. All he did was complain. That's all he did. That was too much money for him to be complaining. Okay? But I am going to take him on a trip later on in the summer. So no worries. Angel is having his fun, y'all. Before y'all come beat me up in the comments, Angel is having his fun. But Angel's kind of scary and doesn't like to ride rides. So that's another reason that I don't want to. He did not enjoy riding those rides at all. If y'all watch the vlog, then you know. Angel was not feeling the rides. And I don't want to take him. I said I would take him to Six Flags a couple times this summer and see if he loosens up. But if not, it just does not make sense to spend all that money on a child who will not enjoy himself. And all I'm going to do is get pissed off because I spent a lot of money for him to be here. You understand? Make it make sense. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know what's your favorite look. All right? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Angelle's Life and on TikTok at Angelle's Life. Also, subscribe to the channel, like this video if you like this video, and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new ones. But again, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.